one of the key things really that business executives really look at as far as the adoption of the technology is concerned is how that impact could be tied to improving things like operational efficiency or productivity, things that they could actually look at and see this is actually improving. Can you talk to us about how Sparkplug can actually impact efficiency and productivity in industrial operations?
Yes, absolutely. So as we have seen with Waterford Township, they were able to have a type of system where they were doing polling and response in order to know if devices are online. And then after that, they were getting those updates in 3 or 4 minutes for their infrastructure in the field. So switching to Sparkplug in this case meant that because of the very low latency of the new infrastructure, they were getting near real-time data and were able to make better informed options when the situation required it. So essentially, when you think about Sparkplug, the key thing to remember there is that by having a performant MQTT broker in the middle, and some of them are able to literally process millions of messages a second. Okay, this is really incredible. So you have essentially basic infrastructure that then enables near real-time decision making. And of course, Sparkplug is just a piece of the whole solution there, in the sense that maybe you will need big data types of mechanisms in order to keep an up-to-date data lake for AI and things like that, right? In order to make predictions or predictive maintenance and things like that. And on the other hand, you will probably have an analytics dashboard that will keep an eye on real time on metrics that are key to operations and that kind of stuff. But Sparkplug is this low latency, low bandwidth enabler for all of those things. So by itself, just because you have Sparkplug, you won't, let's say, save $10 million or 10 million euros. But without Sparkplug, you wouldn't be to save those because you wouldn't get the data in time to make better decisions. And that's where it fits overall in the architecture. And in one way, this is why Sparkplug is open source. Open source makes sense when you have something, okay, that is either a commodity or something where an ecosystem needs to be built around. Yeah. And that's what we've been doing at the Eclipse Foundation. We are vendor neutral. We work with every member in the same way. And so it's a level playing field. And you, as a Sparkplug adopter, if you are a business person, essentially, you can trust us to manage this ecosystem in the name of the community, to be good stewards of the community from a vendor neutral perspective. So, once again, Sparkplug is an enabler, and we at the Eclipse Foundation are the enablers of Sparkplug in one way.